Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Trading Technicals. So I hope you guys are making good money. Hope you're doing well. I think lots of things has happened in the last week in the market, and we have seen how our Camarilla has kind of given us some of the trading opportunities, right? So today basically I'm talking about something else. So basically we are trying to look at something which is on the support and resistance, and how do we kind of the easiest way, not that exact price action support and resistance, but the easiest way of looking at some certain supports and resistances, and what could actually help us take that quick trades, and what could be the thing which we can use it for our daily intraday trading. So basically, first thing what we have to understand is on everyday markets, there are certain criteria. So normal support and resistance we generally draw on the the swing points basically. So like this is one swing point, right? And this one would be one swing point. Uh, but today I'm not talking about those swing points, and basically what I'm trying to talk about is certain other areas like our Camarilla pivots, right? That also works as a support and resistance. So similar ways, we have certain areas where we can utilize that as a support and resistance, and we can look at those things. So the first important thing on our support resistance thing is your first 5 minutes candle. Okay, so whenever your first 5 minutes candle is forming, okay, if you can mark that zone, you would see that area. So when your Camarilla is not giving you any kind of clear things, and probably you want certain other confirmations as well, so you can look at it, what is my trend for the day. Okay, so till the time my the first 5 minutes candle high is not broken, my trend is basically in a negative side, so I should look out for selling opportunities, right? And when this kind of day comes, right, so none of the strategies or none of the things works 100% correct, but whenever we are seeing certain opportunities and certain things, we can always utilize them for our thing. So now this one was a complete sideways day. Look at first 5 minutes ka candle, the high and low. It has broken the high. Probably if you would have taken the trade, your trade would have been till H5. H5 exactly has taken the resistance, and it has come back to the H4. Okay, so this the same zone again it has broken. So it has basically tried to play in the same range for the full day, right? Look at here. Now here it is completely bullish trend for the day, right? So whenever it is coming here, you should look out for buying opportunities than the selling opportunities till the time this low is not broken here. Okay, so even if this would have given sell, probably you would have avoided this entry here, and you would have looked at buying opportunities when this area is again broken, right? So this is the kind of thing which we should use it for our intraday. So with the Camarilla, I'm just suggesting you certain other points which we can use it, which can be useful for your intraday trading. Now, addition to this, what we have is basically our opening line. Okay, so always remember your opening line also works as an important support and resistance. Okay, now look at this opening candle, right? So open happened here, then it went down, came retested this area again. We know this zone is critical for us. Okay, so anytime this is broken, probably we could have taken a long entry, and then probably you would have got a big move upside, right? But here the trend continuously telling you that it is a short or a selling opportunities, because your first low is broken, right? Then here if you see, this was an opening line. Okay, look at how open line itself has played a significant support and resistance. Once it was broken, it has came retested, came down, again retested, it came down, it retested and came down. Okay, so you can use this particular thing in any particular stock or anything. Okay, now here also you see market went up, came down, retested this opening line and went up, right? uh, Here you look at it, this was a open, okay, went up till h4 it fell down negative. Okay, now first 5 minutes ka candle ka high and low, till the time your high is not broken, we are not taking long entries, right? So, and the low is broken, we could have taken a short entry. Target would have been CPR or L4 or L3, whatever you want, right? Or you trail the stop loss. Now again market comes back to the same zone at opening level, how it has reacted. Now this is what we need to look out for our intraday trading, right? I'm just trying to make it very simple. This thing would not be there on any of the websites and other things or any other YouTube channel, but I'm just trying to give you a simplest possible method you can utilize it, right? So here you look at it, buy on dips market, okay, simple way, right? Small targets also, if we get 10 points, 20 points also, buy on dips is something which you should always look at it. When it would have broken this side, probably we could have taken a short entry, or maybe an open line, you could have looked for a short entries. But here, buy on dips market. Here, sell on rise market, right? Simple strategy, simple funda. Okay. Now, all this is important, right? So we have seen how open line plus your opening range ka scenario. So lots of people would be talking about ORBs and all those things where it is market is breaking this high and then it goes up and all that things. I'm not talking about that. Yes, you can take the long entries at breakout candles and all those things, but there are multiple other ways to look at it. Look at this candle. So basically this candle you can look at it whenever the opening line and ORB when you're or the opening range you put it first 5 minutes, you would see you will get lots of opportunity. Now here market comes here at the open level, we know it's a support, okay, candle big candle came, red candle did not break, reverse is a possible entry. You take target till here or you take target till here, right? So basically wherever this trapping happens, exactly you will get a very good entry and you can make good money on that particular day. You should not miss this trapping events. Okay, so this trapping event is basically very good place to make money. Other important thing which we have to consider is your high and low. Okay, so three criterias I have given it to you, okay, for today. Okay, now look at these three things. If at all it can help you in your intraday trading. Okay, your current day opening, first 5 minutes ka candle, okay, your opening line, okay, that has to be your support and resistance, plus this ORB and plus the yesterday's high and low. Okay, now this day, okay, yesterday which we have seen, okay, first 5 minutes candle, okay, then we had opening range here, okay, plus our cambrella, right? So this is the range, okay. It had broken on the downside. Whether it breaks an upside, it will be a sideways day because both the side it has broken, so you will get both the side opportunities on this kind of day. This one would be a trending day, okay. So here it has broken, came back, retested, came back down, right? So probably you wouldn't have taken entry here, you wouldn't have taken long entry also here, you wouldn't have got trapped on this scenario even though the market is going up, because you could clearly see first 5 minutes high is not broken. Second thing is, when it is broken on the downside, we know, okay, there is a short entry, all criteria is matching, we could have taken a short entry, you take it till H4, H3 or maybe till yesterday's high, right? So exactly yesterday's high, CPR, whatever target you want to take it. Okay, if it is a small target, you can immediately take it, book it and get on to the work, right? Then here probably this support, okay, now this big candle, as I told you, it's a selling day. However, this particular place, what has happened, yesterday's high is big candle, it is broken. Next candle has been a reversal candle, right? It's a harami candle also, a bullish harami. So this candle ka high would be your entry, this candle ka low would be your, this is your again a price action thing, so we will not discuss too much here, but yes, this has acted. So basically if you would have taken entry here, your target would have been or probably if you would have trailed it till here, this place you have to book it completely, right? So that's how it would work for you in the intraday. So very simple strategy. Just go through this, back test it on any of the stocks or any of the other things which you want to follow, or maybe bank nifty or other things, and let me know your feedback. If you think this video is helping you somewhere in your intraday trading or whatever trading you are doing, then probably do share it with your friends, hit that like button, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.